I suffer from chronic hiccups. I've had them my entire life for as long as I can remember, so I freaked out when I saw Hiccupops at CVS. Let's talk about it. So these are the first science-based solution for hiccups, and they come in two awesome flavors. We've got sour apple and citrus. So before we dive into how these work, let's talk about hiccups. Hiccups are essentially just a irregular breathing pattern that can be caused by a number of different things, like food, stress, all that jazz. So how these work. Basically, Hiccupops are specially formulated with a formula of ingredients that are going to basically pause your body's hiccup response. I can't get over how good they taste. I can't wait to grab a Hiccupop next time I have hiccups.